Hi there, thanks for joining us at That's Crackers. When you are making your crackers and adding your gifts, why not wrap your gifts first of all in some paper and add the names onto the paper of the recipient to make sure that the gift you chose for someone they're actually going to receive and somebody else doesn't receive it instead. Then when you pull the crackers and they all land on the table or all land on the floor, then everybody knows what gift they were meant to have. So, not that you need an example, but I will give you one. I have here a box of memory boards. I'm going to quickly wrap it up in tissue paper. Not that you need to know how to wrap a box up in tissue paper. Stick it down, name on the front. If you're using a Sharpie like I am here, make sure it's not going to go through the paper. Name on, and with our crackers, you will have seen from a previous video and shown you how to make them, that we suggest that when you're assembling them, before you fill them, you leave this end open. You put your filler inside the hat and roll it up. And then you put your hat with your gift inside your cracker, tucking it in neatly. Then tie up the other end, face up, piece of ribbon on the other end. This one we're just using a simple knot. And there we go, tie it up, trim the ends off, and there we go. So should we try and pull it and see how we get on? Okay. So now we've got one for Abby, one for Dale, one for Daisy, and one for John. Have a good Christmas.